Okay, we're gonna do look at this house right now. They're gonna do the inspection. So you got a last inspection ready yesterday? The inspection is done.
Electrical, plumbing.
You have electrical, plumbing, okay.
Yeah,
so
all is new.
It's gonna be how many bedroom and bathroom are gonna be in this house?
It's 4 bedroom and 2 bathroom.
Okay, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and it would be for sale. How long you think it's gonna be available on the market?
Probably 1 month or month. Yeah, 1 month is already.
Okay, about 1 more month. He's gonna knock them all out for you. Moving in ready.
Yesterday, it's passed all the inspection.
You get a good cruise. Oh, you start doing this already?
Yeah, we start with the sheetrock already.
Sheetrock and everything, yep. The floor look good though.
Yeah, it's hardwood floor.
Oh, okay. So you can just sand it out and put in the new coat, stain a new coat. Yeah. This is the before, and you will be see the after picture after he was renovation of this home. So yeah, we buy house any condition, anywhere, any condition. We got a crew that coming in and take care of it and repair and doing it. It would be good insulation. It's a brand new, so everything is brand new. You get to the bone. The wood is on, so it look good. This wood is good. So have a good bone though. So you take all the sheetrock out?
Yeah, all the
new plumbing or something? Or you got a new plumbing?
New plumbing.
New plumbing.
And new plumbing in the shower. Everything is new.
The shower. Everything is brand new.
Yeah.
It's just a brick on, and some of the wood is very good. There's some of the new wood, right? Some of them new, and some of the own woods look very good too. Look at it.
Everything is
very steady. You're gonna what kind of kitchen top? You're gonna put them there granite?
Probably quartz.
Quartz. Quartz it look even better.
Quartz it look fancy. And the kitchen is
new central heating air.
The kitchen is right here. We put the refrigerator on here, sink on here. We do these windows a little bit more up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and make it the sink on here. The people can look in the street. The stuff is on here, microwave on top. And we put the big bar on here. Right here, big bar.
Right.
Yeah, and chandelier. This is the dining room, and we put the other chandelier on here.
All right. So we have it right here. Chandelier right here. Okay. Very nice. They have a nice backyard, a pool. You're gonna maybe this.
The new fan is already. You want to?
I don't know how much. How much? Yeah, fan that look very nice. I don't know how much. How much it cost you to fix the pool up? How much it cost you to close out? How much it cost you to fix it up?
I don't check for the estimate yet. I'm gonna try probably close or probably fix.
Yeah, ask. Yeah, get estimate on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it the estimate for this. But all the fans we take
if
it
it's
down.
Not much different, you know, you leave the pool on. If like a $1,000 more, if you're gonna fix the pool up, then close them out. You're gonna fix it better. But look at our brand new fans. Got I'm coach and mentor can give him some tips. Central heat air. That's old one, but it work good, right? Is that new or air?
Yeah, it's a
brand new.
No, it's a new, but it's not too old.
It's not too old, yeah.
But
it's kind of new.
The other one is a brand new.
Brand new inside.
Yeah, but
outside it still look good. Yeah, make sure it work good for y'all. Is the roof new?
Yeah, the roof is new. It's not have like the more.
How long is the roof? 2 or 3 years. Yep.
Yeah.
And this one right here is all window new window. Wow,
yeah,
that's
new
nice.
Windows, and we paint the house like the white color.
Oh, white color. Okay, that's very popular now. People paint it white. So you would come back about a month to look at it. So if you want to be buying right now, you got cash, you want to buy it right now, call me and we can sell it to you and you can pick their own color, right?
Yeah.
If someone want to buy a good price, they can pick their own color and you finish them up for them, right? Yeah. It has to be above 200,000, 230 something after finish them up. So you can custom build your house with the color you want with us. Now in this stage mode, then you can choose your own paint, your own color, floor, and everything.